Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the compressor relay in your wine cellar, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. Pull the appliance away from the wall or cabinet. Using a Phillips-head screwdriver, unthread all of the top mounting screws, securing the lower rear access panel. Fully unthread the right side mounting screw as well. Loosen the 3 screws on the bottom, and you can lift off the panel. Use a flathead screwdriver to help detach the retainer, securing the overload and relay cover. Remove the cover. Pry the relay off of the compressor motor pins. Note the orientation of the wires, then disconnect them. Install the new compressor relay by first connecting the wires to the appropriate terminals. Align the relay on the compressor motor pins and push it into place. Reposition the cover and secure it with the retainer. Reinstall the access panel by aligning it on the bottom screws. Tighten the screws. Fully rethread the remaining mounting screws. Push the appliance back against the wall or into the cabinet. Plug the power cord back in or restore the power supply, and your wine cellar should be ready for use.